First up, you need to remove these 6 clips from the top of the grille. Just use a screwdriver to twist the upper cap. Next, remove the grille by pulling it straight towards the front of the car. There are clip points at the top and the bottom. Remove the 3 12mm bolts holding the latch onto the car. These were very tight on my car, as they probably hadn't been removed since the car was made. Remove the hood latch cable from the latch. This is what it looked like when I brought it inside. It's covered in dirt and grease and gunk, and it's holding back all the moving parts. I cleaned it off just with some water and dish soap, dried it, and then applied silicone grease to all moving parts. Reinstall in the reverse order, starting by putting the latch cable onto the hood latch. Then reinstall the 3 12mm bolts onto the car. If you have a torque wrench, the torque spec for these is 25 foot-pounds, but I don't think the torque is super critical on that. Reinstall the grille by pushing it into the car. Make sure all the clips are clipped in place. Then reinstall the 6 clips on top by keeping the upper bit pulled up, putting it in the hole, and then pushing it down so it snaps in place.